Everybody, we are here at a newer style car wash called Bmore Clean Car Wash, which is in Baltimore, Maryland. You probably know their jingle. And they have a much newer Coleman Hanna system, I think. We'll check more in depth when we get to get closer to the wash here. But here's our options. Now, what I've kind of learned, guys, is that when it's a car wash that is so nice, like Coleman Hanna, I love seeing the machines. So, the thing is, and by the way, these are nice prices for a car wash like this. So, we are going to get the $13 wash, even though it doesn't contain the wall of foam, because I'd love to see what the machines are like. So, here we go, everybody. By the way, I'll show you.
Or by using the buttons beside the outfit.
Wash menu. The wash menu should be bigger than the unlimited wash plans, because that's what people do. Yeah, so I'm not going to get anything else. It's just going to be the $13 wash, but I hope you guys will enjoy this wonderful wash. Alright, everybody, I am now paid. I put the one thing that I'm going to do about these conveyor washes at first is that I'm going to make sure to put a piece of paper on the dash. So I've seen some interesting dryers here, and this is a nice new wash. So let's see what we got here. And yes, it is a Coleman Hanna system. Looks like we got some men here about to tell us to go through. Alright, so here we go, everybody. This is going to be really cool. So obviously the first little arch would have been the wall of foam, and it's also going to be where our pre-soak's going to be. So, wow, this is going to be really cool, everybody. That's a really nice sign, by the way, as well. This is a very nice big bay. Alright, so here we go. And the cloth started early, so we can see it much better. All the cloth is black, which is very cool. Meaning the color of the cloth. I don't mean any, you know what I'm probably referring to. I think everybody's amazing in their own way. But anyways, this is the front to back mitter. The generic one. Ooh, look at this. We have a top brush now, and our two sets of brushes. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So this is a Hanna Top Brush, which I've not seen yet. And our triple foam. No wipers, because the brush is so close. Awesome. So now we got more side brushes. So I like that touch there, and for it to kind of wash the triple foam off, which is pretty cool. So we got some extra side brushes here, and then we have our weird looking but very cool front to back mitter, which goes diagonal. So now that has started. Let me tell you, that's a cool motion of those mitters. So I'll now be quiet for the last few parts, because then we have the dryers. These are nice dryers here. so it's telling us to go, and now we'll go. All right, that was a very nice tunnel. That was nice and long too. So anyways, that's gonna do it, everybody. Well, the dryers were not the best dryers, but hey, that's okay. I love when I say, hey, that's okay. It's like a rhyme. It's a rhyme. LOL. But anyways, that was cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Bmore Clean Car Wash. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video, and peace out, everybody.